So I'm with Yuya, and we came to check out some fireworks. Say what's up, Yuya.
Yeah.
We came to check out some.
I'm happy with Jacob.
We came to check out some fireworks in a traditional Japanese festival. Everyone's wearing kimonos. They're walking around in the wooden sandals. It's very noisy, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Check it out. Oh my God, the fireworks! They're so pretty. It's a rice field right there. But you can't see it because it's too dark. Oh my God! Yeah, people walking in kimonos. There's booths to get food and fireworks. There's toys. Those lights are so cool. Sorry, I'm stepping over tons of yakisoba in this road. It's so crowded. There's just storms of people. You can't see them right now. There are so many rice fields here. Tents everywhere. Tents everywhere. There's smiley faces. Yeah, let's go check it out. Yeah, there are lines for everything. Yuya, I'm scared. Oh my God, it's so crowded. We're trying to find our friends right now, but they could be anywhere. Chocolate bananas, oh my God.
度見ぐらいかな。Could you call Shinji?
Yeah, I'll call him. So I just saw a Japanese guy with a Fu Manchu in a kimono with a mullet that was dyed blonde, and it was amazing. I wish I could have taken a picture. This festival is so freaking huge. There are tons of booths. Wow. That was pretty cool. You hear that? I think they're gonna launch some big ones. Oh yeah, we got 10 minutes left in the fireworks show. They're gonna launch some big ones soon. I'm sorry if I'm moving the camera too fast. Sorry if I don't get good shots from here on out. I'm going to focus on the fireworks for myself. Everyone is freaking out. Everyone is freaking out. Oh God.
さすがに登れる。
さすがにあれ